Welcome to Barbecue Jams. We've got an excellent show for you guys tonight. So we have Brett Norton on guitar. We have Cary Jordan on bass. And we also have Grant Nielsen on guitar. Myself, Wil Blumberg, as always, on drums. Tonight we are cooking up some T-bones and a ribeye. It's gonna be an easier cook. We're gonna be using some Hard Core Carnivore. You guys stay tuned. Let's get in it. This is Barbecue Jams. Hey, so we've got some T-bones tonight. We've also got a nice ribeye we're cooking up. We got it from Pine Grove Deli here in Jacksonville, Florida. Pretty simple cook tonight. We're gonna be using some Hard Core Carnivore. Straight ahead, gonna put it on the green egg about 500 degrees. Cook them real fast and bring them out. So you guys hang tight. People. All right, we'll be back here at 9 and 7. One for the grill box. One for the grill marks. Yeah, baby. I have no idea how to. I played the son of a Batman. Yeah, baby. And he was all right. Ribeye. Here we go, people. Here's the concert. Cool guys, here we go. I'm gonna cut into this guy and see what happens. See what we have. This is the fillet side. Let's see. Does that look pretty good, guys? What do you think?
That's all right.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, baby. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Oh man, oh man, oh man.
Say goodbye.
I'm going in, guys. I gotta do it. I'm going in. Hard Core Carnivore. Here we go. Come on. This is ridiculous, people. Hard Core Carnivore is always gonna kill it. Nader, you wanna come in and check this out, man? You wanna give it a shot? I'll put you on the spot. Do you wanna come on in?
All right, I'll come on.
Dude, grab one of those, man, and get involved.
Wow.
This is the owner of Pine Grove Deli. This is Nader right here. And this is where I picked up this meat today.
Hard Core Carnivore does it.
Pretty killer, right? Isn't that good?
Good meat.
Man! Yeah, I know.
Very nice.
Yes. But hey, thank you so much, man. These are killing it. Yeah, I picked these up from Pine Grove earlier today, guys, and their meat's always on point. Along with Hard Core Carnivore, guys, you gotta do it. Anybody else would like to come on? Come on, Brett. All right, guys, we got Brett Norton over here again, as always.
All right.
What's up, dude? Ready to get some good jams?
Ready to go.
Grab a piece of that steak and tell me what you think.
Oh man.
It's like, right when it hits your lips. You know what I
You
mean?
don't have to chew.
Boom! That's killer.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Isn't that good? Dude, thank you so much for always being here again, brother.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for that. That's killer.
Yeah. Well, hey, look. This is what we do, man. We love cooking. And jamming. And we're going to have a good time.
Yeah.
You want to get on in here, man? See what's up? Cary Jordan on bass tonight.
I gotta clean my hands after shaking his hand.
Get this guy right there, buddy.
Alright, ready?
You're going to love it.
You don't know where his hands have been.
So good, even a vegetarian will eat it, right? Is that what it says? Speaking of vegetarian, wow, we got Grant Nielsen.
What do we got here?
What's up, dude?
What do we got?
We got some really beautiful steak with some Hard Core Carnivore.
I'll say.
And
This is
that's
easily the
what
best
I
steak
have.
I've stood near any time.
Yes, exactly. That's what I was hoping you would say.
All right, so.
That boy.
It's going in.
Yeah, sure.
All right, that is really
Pretty good, right?
good.
Dude.
Pardon me.
Worth it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Welcome to our world, Grant.
Wow.
We're changing you over, buddy.
Welcome to the other side. Guess what? The grass is green over here.
Hey, by the way,
Where he came from?
I got some merch from you. I got some merch for you tonight. I was gonna get with a hat, shirt, and some of my rub.
Oh yeah.
And same thing with the other guys. Whatever it is that y'all don't have, I was gonna hook you up with. So anyway, we'll do that here in a little bit. But dude, thank you so much.
you so
As
much.
always for being here, brother, and having a good time. We're getting ready to have some killer jams too, man. All right, man. We're getting involved, people. Man, this filet side, this T-bone is just ridiculous, people. Y'all absolutely need to get involved with that Hard Core Carnivore. I mean, it is just right on time, every time. Every time. All right, cool.
I'm probably the oldest participant at this event, and I'm very thankful that Wil invites me. And it's wonderful.
Oh, it's very nice of you.
It's wonderful.
Thanks, man.
And my taste buds, I know, are not as sharp as all these younger guys. But today, I can taste this, and it is wonderful.
All right.
God, give me that.
Get
please.
involved, bro.
I've already had one taste. Look at that. God. Oh, it doesn't matter how bad your taste buds are and how old you are. This is wonderful. Oh. I'm glad I'm not a vegetarian. That's
Oh, yeah, brutal.
it's wonderful.
All right. Jane Salter, thank you as always for being here. You're always the life of the party, sir. Thank you so much. Check this out, man. Come on.
Alright, let's get it.
Dude, this is your piece right here.
Oh man.
Just get involved, dude. Let's go to town.
Wow.
Just go to town, bro.
Hey, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Say that this is better than
Just like
Oh my God.
pulls are so nice. Beautiful.
I
Nice
didn't even take a bite. I just like, I know you got that. Oh,
Nice. Mikey.
good crust.
Yeah, the crust. I didn't like that good. I know. It's like right on top. Yeah, dude.
Awesome.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Come on. All right. into the spinalis right here. This is the best cut of the meat right here, people. Alright guys, it's Grant Nielsen. I'm hooking them up from the merch company. There's a hat, buddy.
Beautiful.
Yes, I got you some rub. Hopefully you can use that on something.
I'll use it on something. I think we can all use it on something.
We've got you a nice shirt here as well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, dude,
Nice
absolutely. And I'm so happy you were able to get here tonight and play with us, and we're gonna have a great time, dude. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you as always,
Thank
brother.
you. Thank you very much.
Cary Jordan, come on in, buddy.
Edit.
I got you a shirt, dude. Thanks so much for hanging and being a part of the
Appreciate you
show
guys,
as
man.
always.
Always love
And
it.
got you a nice little swag there. So wear it, enjoy it.
It's actually extra large, but it's okay.
Is it extra large?
Just kidding.
Okay, cool. All right, perfect. Well, I didn't want to say anything. But anyway,
Thank you.
anyway, thank you guys for hanging. As always, we're having a great time. Going in for a jam. You guys know the drill. We're going to catch you next time. Later. Woo!